Welcome to episode 8 of forging. So this is what we got done last time. We got the the crossguard onto the sword, and finished out the detailing on the crossguard. So today, if we get round to it, we might heat treat it. But I'm gonna, because I don't really have any material to make the pommel out of, what I'm going to do is just like thin it down to a spike and make it look nice enough, just so it's not blank at the end. And I'm not sure if I already said, but it's sunny at the moment and it's raining because England sucks. So let's get the forge lit. I think it's actually balanced fairly well, as in like where the centre of mass is, because that's balancing on the horn, which is rounded, so it means that's right where the centre of mass is. And I think it's because I've got such a thick handle, like all metal instead of just like wood like it normally is, that I don't really need a pommel. It's been like nearly an hour since I started the forge. It's weirdly not getting very hot. Got to press record last week, so I just rounded it over a bit. I was going to make like a little division between the spike and the rest of the handle, and I thought I'd just start that now so I can like hit it on end like this over the corner of the anvil. Right, what I might do to widen it is not that, to stick this hammer in there. And go like that. But it needs to be hot to do that, so I started a bit late and you can't really tell the colours anymore. Hopefully it doesn't come up to the anvil, because then I really won't be able to see how hot it is. that's done now. And it's straight on. So, what was it? Oh yeah, put the crossguard in now. Right, so it's slightly wonky, so I'm just going to put it over the edge. Just tightening it down onto it. It was a bit wobbly last time. I don't understand why it's gone all wobbly. Would you look at that? I melted it. I have no idea how to fix it. That sucks. Not sure what to do really. Would you look at that? It's more wobbly. I just went to see the chickens. Forgot that I left like it in the forge like that. Was thinking, oh, it's fine, it can't melt, because before it was barely getting red after a few minutes. Right, this time I'm going to take it out before it starts melting again. Maybe I just need to flatten it out and redo the curve. I think I'll do that. Right, note to self, turn the forge down when I'm working with the crossguards. Now the crossguard is split. I might just have to remake it. Ugh. Right, I'll put that in the water and start making another one. I was thinking of redoing it anyway, but I'll just see you in. Can you see like that crack there? It actually goes through to the other side. So I bet I can just like and that would not hold up. It's so thin, I can just bend it with my hands. But now that's snapped as well. Alright. Time to get another one on. don't want to make that too much thinner. Just need to move the heat towards the back. Might need to wear the glove. The glove protects me from like 50, 60 degrees, so not much more, I don't think. I'll start the thing and call it a day, because I started about 2 hours late, so I don't really want to go on too much longer. Ooh, stocky. Small hands on the floor. And I'm in position now. Yeah, definitely not the most stable. But I think I'll just call it a day there. Can't be bothered to do this any longer. Right, so today we got spike on the end done. I'm really happy with it. Turned out just what I thought it would turn out like. Because I was watching YouTube earlier this morning. I just saw a video. I think it was Toppy on Armor. I'm probably butchering his name, but he made this paper knife thing. And on the handle there was that, so I thought I might give it a go, and it turned out great. Got this done, finish it off next time, and we got this broken, which I'm not very happy about, but I mean it wasn't the best. I probably should have redone it anyway as soon as I got it on, because it didn't look the best, and it was like all wonky as well. Because of, I don't know, probably just the way I put it on. And see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and sticking to the end, and bye.